I think it's pretty obvious that today's Poppy show is me because I'm going to be dyeing my hair black for the first time. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I hope that it all works out in the end.
Does it say how long you're supposed to shake it?
No. Just shake until it's shaky. It sounds like it's well shaken.
Okay.
So now that that's done, can I get like this towel fixed properly around me? I need all the help I can get. I don't know what I'm doing. You won't?
No.
So apparently putting coconut oil around your edges keeps the dye from staining your skin. So that's what I'm doing here. Is that like a few? Oh, it was dripping.
Really?
Oh, dripping on my fucking head. Something out of my eye.
Oh, really? Oh my god.
I'm gonna go blind.
Oh my god. Don't keep rubbing it. Wash it with cold water.
Okay, it was a fluke.
Oh yeah, I see it's in the black. How does it smell?
It smells like vinegar and bleach and embalming fluid and titty milk. It's pure. I feel like something going on my eye. Like it's just the fumes, maybe?
Probably.
Do not try this at home. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home, people. Take it from me, the hair expert. Look, see? Look. This then fuck up my skin.
For true.
See, it's turning black already.
The scent is a bit strong and overpowering.
It's permanent. That means it can't come out. So after about 30 minutes, I'm finally done with the first section. So I'm just putting it away so I can move on to the next section. As you can see, I'm exhausted. So this is the end result of me dyeing my hair black, and I think it looks pretty good. But I need some new towels. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time on The Poppy Show.